Mark's bringing his new bird down tonight.
Oh, aye. That'll be interesting.
Right, boys. Let me introduce you to Vanessa.
Vanessa Dettiali. Hello?
Please. Sorry, Canny, I think my hearing's went funny. That's not fair! Not fair!
My stars came back.
Can I get you a drink?
I would love one.
I'd like I can't get my tongue back in.
You just sit down.
Let me get you a chair.
My pacemaker!
Oh, never mind that.
At Mark's work, at the benefits office. I go there all the time to grass up benefits cheats. I'm a benefit grass.
No accounting for taste, is there?
Pound.